To this tutorial on how to sew a fabric swim cap. Fabric caps are not waterproof, but they are much more comfortable to wear and help protect your hair from tangling while swimming. So if you need one, just follow along. The pattern consists of 2 side pieces and 1 center piece. The center piece should be cut on the fold. I recommend using a stretchy fabric like Lycra or spandex for the best fit. Once all pieces are cut out, mark the center points. I am using here a fabric marker. Then attach the pieces together with the fabric's right sides facing each other. Pin around the edges and get ready to sew. I recommend using a needle for stretch fabric, but mine just broke just before filming, so I'm using a regular needle and I can definitely feel the difference. I am using a contrasting black thread. You can finish the edges with a serger, or simply use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. Here you can see how the cap looks when it's connected. There are different ways to finish the bottom edge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a casing for elastic. But you can also just attach elastic directly and top stitch it with an elastic stitch like a zigzag, just like in this black cap. To make the casing, fold the edge about 1/4 inch and then fold again about 1/2 inch. Sew around, but make sure to leave a small opening to insert the elastic. I am slightly stretching out the fabric since I am not using here an elastic stitch. For the cup's bottom edge, I recommend using a highly elastic band so it's more comfortable to wear. Measure about 80 to 90% of the cap's bottom circumference. As you can see here, I might have a bit more, but the last inch will be sewn together, so it ends up around 80%. Now insert the elastic through the casing. You can do it with the safety pin or with the tool like the elastic threader. Then secure the band and close the opening. And that's it, your swim cap is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about sewing, please consider subscribing. Have a great day and happy sewing!